nakakrop.
I miss you!
Sabi kita din.
Ay, bakasyon mo ulan!
Huwag baka sa sinagi, matrapos sila.
Sige na, okay.
Bye. Ay,
Aking akwat na.
Hi, I am Cheryl for Hulana Vlog.
See you. Satsad kita masatsad.
masadsad. Oo. Gagulin Pilipinas, try Duna.
Che, may rambutan.
Kaya. Uuwi ng Pilipinas mamaya.
May rambutan, may...
Sino rambutan?
Tataw ka raw,
May
sitaw.
May sitaw. Gadubong kangkong mo rin Duna. May sitaw. Oo. Ay, may talong.
Pinakbit yan.
Agapakbet. Yeah. Abatid kinyo, lipat kami sa California eh. Ayan. Oh. Hindi ka sa do.
Hep, hep!
Bam, anda nga, bawal na ba? Pangpakbet, may kangkong.
Kung sa Timar, siya gawin ka.
Papakain mo ka to. Oh my God. Nice.
I know it's in the blood, but you know, we have to fight for it. It's in the blood. No matter what, it's there.
Ano?
Imagine.
Ma-picture ka mo man ni Alan, ma? Ma-picture. Ha?
Si Apple ba? Apple ron? Good morning. Baba.
Zoe! Come here. They're leaving now.
Kama, si Nia.
Ania! Siyempre, mana sa ng tatay, gwapo.
Ang ganda, you're so pretty, Ania. Ano ba yan ka? Instagram.
Hey, ano ko na mo eh? Yung
Ania! You're so pretty. Ma-first, mama.
Ania. Ate, bye-bye, Ania. Ate, picture kayo, ate. Picture with ate, picture.
Hindi ka pag-aala, malaki ka bibuhay ito.
What else is here? Let me see, let me see.
Big, baabo ka pag-aala, malaki. Ang takabuaboy buhay yun. Kainom pa kami kanina Judel. Kel, mainom kita kanina Judel. Bye, Col.
Panche, siya kalibo.
Bye, Col. Goli ka ba't gali? Oy, goli.
Ingat ka. Kasi mo kami nakakahay. Gainuman pa.
Hi.
Gainuman pa.
Sino ganto?
Paano kami? It's not a funeral this time.
Mia. Ang si Marie.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Mia!
Wow, sexy, naka-crop top. Wow, naka-crop top.
I miss you!
Sabi kita din.
I miss you!
Hoy, ano Cheryl?
You're so pretty, Ania!
Ina naman! Nabungot ha! You're so pretty!
Oh,
How about your sister?
Ay, bakasyon mo ulan!
Bye!
May bagyo! Masagot! May bagyo!
She doesn't know what's going on. Tawi.
Well, gipugo mo yung labahan! Hi, sir! Hi, sir!
Hi! Kabu! Hooray! Hooray! Bambi, may pulis! Ginapatawagan at pulis yun! Si Bambi! Ginatawagan ko at pulis! Ay, mauwot! Ang gali! Baskop! Gali roongan! Well! Bye! Ay, dito! Joe! 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 Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Ako dili! Sinabay sa hep hep! Hep hep! Alright! Merry Christmas! Tapos ni Jason.
Hello, Merry Christmas!
Nagawa sa laki mo pa ninyo! Tapos kayo, siksik suplak!
Ay, wapat 6 o'clock ko na! Wapat pa 6 o'clock! Balik!
5 more minutes!
5 minutes na
Oh, Caroline.
Sa may bahay ang aming bati! Merry Christmas! Animal, balik nun! Hi! Hi! Hi!
Masaysay, masaysay!
Hadlok bawanan!
Bakit ingat! Right, Sam? Ingat! Ingat! Ingat!
Ano, close din na tayo.
Sumayaw!
Bawal, bawal! Wow, tapos yun!
Hi guys! Merry Christmas! It's Christmas Eve without Papa. So, nandito kami sa bahay nila Papa. Ay, may mga food kami dito. This is our food.
Don't record me.
No, I don't record you. This is the food. So, we're gonna say Merry Christmas later if you wanna eat. Alright, our Christmas Eve without Papa. It's a donut. Sweet. Christmas Eve without Papa, donut sweet, and this one, and this cake, this chicken, vegetables.
That's a nice camera out there.
Yeah.
Lord, thank you for the blessing. This is another wonderful year for us, even though we are grieving for Papa's passing. But we were able to gather us again with Uncle Billy's family, Lourdes and Gerald, for staying with us on this difficult time. At least they're able to spend Christmas with us, Lord. Thank you very much for this blessing. Thank you, and we're able to come up with all the what do you call that, arms, and we're able to help Mama.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my vlog. Nandito kami ngayon sa Isla Grande. Ito yung pinuntahan namin na ni Papa bago siya na-hospital. Remember, nung nag-celebrate siya ng birthday, dito namin siya dinala. So this time, in-invite namin yung mga kapatid niya na kung sino naiwan dito. Kasi nandito pa yung iba. So, ititreat namin sila dito sa Isla Grande para makita nila kung saan namin dinala si Papa. Pero nakakalungkot kasi parang may history na talaga siya dito. Okay?
Ever in the Bay Area, come to Isla on a weekend. There's a live band, good food, good vibes, and it's fun. Look at me.
Don't play with the tinidor. Hi guys, today is New Year's Eve. So, pupunta ako kila Mama kasi kahit pa paano mag-celebrate kami na wala si Papa. So, pupunta ako kila Mama ngayon and then uuwi ako later bago yung New Year's. So, today is December 31st. Ito yung last day ng on the year. At saka ito yung last day na, it's 3 weeks since namatay si Papa. So, mahirap pa rin tanggapin. Hopefully, maka-move on na. So, hirap kasi wala na siyang memories sa 2026. So, guys, once again, Happy New Year, and I'm gonna vlog later doon sa bahay nila Mama. Okay?
Mom, nanonood kita. Mom, pray for the soul of Jonas. Pray for the soul of Jonas. Pray for the soul of
Happy
Jonas.
New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Papa!
Mama,
This New Year lang for me, I'm not happy, Papa.
pray for the soul of Jonas.
Pray for the soul.
Pray for the soul of Jonas.
Papa, pinatay, Papa.
Papa! Papa man nga rin.
And then second watch for me lang.
Friends and Chichi.
Yeah.
Dito mo siya. Friends and Chichi. Hi, my friends and Chichi.
Chichi
You
travel
know
vlog.
what? They do a lot of
Wow! Look at I'm gonna vlog it. Look, I'm gonna vlog it.
So why did you cancel
Wow!
3 pre
That is Cashy
You can't,
That's cash right there.
I don't know kung cancel na dahil yung tatlo.
That's that.
That's okay, you have a reason. Mike ka ba?
Pray for the soul of Jonas. Pray for the soul of Jonas. Miguel, paano ka magsadsad? You have to go magsadsad.
Practice.
Come on, John, give me the sadsad. Go.
Bring your Trader Joe when you sadsad.
Okay, go.
Eh, mama bukod ang babaron.